we want to find the derivative of this function. The function is 1 minus x squared using the definition of derivative. The definition of derivative is given by this limit provided it exists. So limit of x plus h minus fx over 8, and when h is very small, when h goes to 0. Okay, so let's write that formula. So y prime or f prime x, doesn't matter, the derivative is given by this limit h goes to 0, 8 minus f of x plus 8. So let me work over here. Our function is given by 1 minus x squared. Okay, and in this formula we need to find f of x plus 8. So f of x plus 8 would be, then look at this definition, function f of input, any input, is equal to 1 minus that input is square. That means f of x plus 8 would be 1 minus that input is square. So x plus 8 quantity square. Okay, so that goes over here. So from using this definition, f of x plus 8 is 1 minus x plus 8 quantity square, and there is a negative sign from the formula. So whenever I see negative, I want to put parentheses around. And fx is given, the function is 1 minus x squared. Yeah, we can put the parentheses around as well, but there is a plus sign in the front, so it doesn't matter. Now we need to simplify the top. Limit h goes to 0, h on the bottom, 1 minus x plus 8 quantity squared. There is a minus sign, so I want to put parentheses around. X plus 8 quantity square. X plus 8 quantity square means multiply x plus 8 by itself. Now you just FOIL or distribute, you get x squared plus x8 plus x8 plus h squared, which is x squared plus 2x8 plus h squared. So x plus h is 8 quantity square is x squared plus 2x8 plus h squared, minus, we need to distribute minus 1 to inside, so minus 1 is minus 1 minus plus x squared, and we need to distribute this negative sign as well. So limit h goes to 0, 8, 1 minus x squared minus plus minus 2x8 minus plus minus h squared, and we have negative 1 plus x squared. Now we need to simplify the top. If we look at carefully, negative x squared cancel, and 1, positive 1 and negative 1 also cancel. Okay, and limit h goes to 0, h on the bottom. On the top we have two terms, so we can factor h out. That was the zero making factor, and that leaves negative 2x minus 1 8. Now then we can cancel that zero making factor 8 and replace h by 0. So that's negative 2x minus 0, just negative 2x. Final.